So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take meeting notes in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Docs. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here, we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Choose Template. Then we scroll down, and under Work, we find the meeting notes. Now we just tap on one that we really like. And here we find the template. And here we can just fill out the details, like the attendees, the agenda, action items, and etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.